Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And in this episode, we gonna have the Pentax SV. So this camera, I acquired it from the thrift store a few months ago. It came with a strap, but I gave it away to a friend. It came with all original Pentax hardware and has the light meter, but sadly it doesn't work, but it adds a good cosmetic to the camera. So it came with 50mm f1.8 lens. So I'm just giving you an overview. I tested this out already, I think on the first day of lockdown, and I was walking around the block, just mainly taking pictures of Island Park Drive while walking. So that was my test of this camera. Very user friendly if you are used to using SLRs. This one is one of the good ones. Sadly, I haven't developed it yet as of now, but once this video is up, I think I'll be able to try it all out. So this is the shutter speed. As I move it, it corresponds to the proper light meter readings over there. And just cock it in the lever like that and shoot. So this is for focusing, and this is the aperture when you're adjusting aperture. So you might need a light meter when using this camera. But is it beautiful? Just looking at it, it's just so beautiful. And opening it, there's a lever here. Just see if where's one? About 125. Pretty good. 1. Good. Oh yeah, and the viewfinder there. What else can I say? Run down with the history of this camera. Oh, no, that's just the SV and the serial number, and don't forget to set on your ISA when you're planning to shoot. So this is the result of the photo shoot that I did during my walk around Island Park, and I developed it myself using ilford 3. There are some white streaks, but yeah, I could improve that on my next developing. But I like the pictures and very satisfied with the camera and the film. So see you again next time. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Bye.